Hello, my name is Edi Carolina Granados. This is the step 4. Let's talk about your experience. 1. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? Yes. I went to the Risaralda Sound. Risaralda Sound is a place near to Pereira, about 2 hours by bus. I visited my family, my boyfriend family. I love this place. It's amazing. It's very extraordinary, very nature. There are many animals, there are many agriculture, there are many rivers. I love this place. The most interesting place that I know in this trip was the San Juan River. This is a river conformed by 5 near rivers in different departments. Department of Antioquia, Department of Risaralda, Department of Quindío, Department of Chocó, and Department of Valle del Cauca. This is an amazing place. There are many animals, agriculture, and they have a lot of caves of gold. 2. What is the most unknown food you have eaten during a trip? I ate Chontadura's fruit, but I don't like it. Here the people commonly eat it with lemon, salt, pepper, but I don't like it. It's not good for me. I don't like how the smell, I don't like the savor, I don't like the texture, and I don't like the Chontadura's fruit. What are the most visited places or tourist attraction in your city? In this moment, I'm living in Pereira city. In this city is very commonly known places, relationship with animals, coffee, rivers, lookout, and I love this. I know the Cafés Park, the Pastoras Park, the Consultas Park, the lookout of Altagracia, lookout of Finlandia, and it is very amazing. 4. What place have you missed to visit during your trip? Okay, I know the Finlandia viewpoint, but it is very far from here. I don't visited this place because it's very far and it's a dangerous area. 5. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? Okay, when I was in Risaralda Sound, I spent 1 hour by jeep and 2 hours by Chiva. This is an special transport in the region. I love this experience. Was very amazing. I saw different places, animals, agriculture. I enjoy it a lot. Okay, thank you so much.